Liceo de Masacao Incorporated, Santa Rosa del Norte, Masacao, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander next up, Harvey Undang, Troop Commander. Mark Joseph Rosario, Troop S1. Melvin Pedapor, Troop S2. Mario J, Troop S for Candelaria, Troop S3. Major Leader, Saika Miel Rekni, EC Leader, Rich Rios Khalid. CTV Company Commander, Jake Chavez, CTV Company Maxwell, Inyo Popo, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Philip Lawrence Post Commander, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Daphne Mikhaila Solot, Major Coordinator, Nancy Otsini and Jasmine Canatres, Major Stinger, Cynthia Elevado, DLC Coordinators, Paul Kevin Morat, Yajini Gala, Chris Ann Orlave, DLC Checker, Ian Rosila, Assistant CAT MAPE Facilitator, Joy Romero, CAT MAPE Facilitator, Edgardo Briela, Junior High School TIC, Razul Nara, School OIC, Cynthia Elevado, School Administrator, Analisa Blanca Flor. Entry number 7, Liceo de Masacao Incorporated, Santa Rosa del Norte, Masacao, Camarines Sur.
May reserve! Pinay ka na ng ating karin. Color, ano ng mga aki.
Thank you very much. Entry number 7, Liceo de Masacao Incorporated, Santa Rosa del Norte, Masacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry,